Hello! Привет! Your Russian teacher Olisiia is here again. Today we are diving into one of the sweetest topics in the Russian language, tender, affectionate words that Russians use with people they love. These phrases can be used with your partner, kids, close friends, or even pets. Russians really love adding little warm endings to words, and it makes the language sound incredibly soft. I'll share the most common affectionate words, when to use them, and how they translate into English. Let's make your Russian sound sweeter. Let's begin. Поехали! In Russian, tenderness is often expressed through diminutives, adding cute endings like очка, енька, ушка, ик, чик. These endings make a word feel small, cute, and loving. For example, милая, 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 sweetheart, my sweet girl, милый, 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 sweetheart, my sweet guy, and the even tender forms, милочка, 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 sweetie, миленькая, 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 my darling little one. These endings don't have exact English equivalents, but they make Russian sound warm and intimate. So let's start with the classic affectionate words Russians use in relationships. Любимая, 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 любимая to a woman, my beloved. Любимый, 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 любимый to a man, my beloved. A very tender and universal word. Солнышко, 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 солнышко. Little sun, sunshine. This one is used for partners, kids, even close friends. And sometimes when you wake up your child, you can say, солнышко, вставай. Солнышко, вставай. Солнышко, вставай. My sunshine, wake up. You also can tell it to your partner, to your beloved one. Душа моя, душа моя, душа моя, душа моя, my soul, old-fashioned but extremely touching. Родная, 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 родная to a woman, my dear one, someone close to my heart. Родной, родной, родной to a man, same meaning, my dear, my close one. Another soft and playful option. Котик, 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 котик to a man, kitty, cute one. Киска, 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 киска to a woman, kitty, also can be just киса, 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 kitty, also to a woman, кисуля, 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 also kitty. Кисуля can be used when you talk to a woman or when you talk to a man, both. So those words киска, кисуля, котик normally used between partners. Avoid using with strangers. No, never use them with strangers. A very common affectionate nickname, зайчик, 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 little bunny. Зайка, 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 зайка. Also bunny. These are super common in modern romantic Russian, and you can call зайка and zaya and зайчик both a woman and a man. Russians also use affectionate words with friends, especially female to female friendships. Дорогая, 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 dear. Подруженька, подруженька, подруженька. My dear friend, cute, sweet, often used jokingly. Сладкая, Сладкая. Сладкая. Sweetie. Used in a friendly or playful tone. Красотка. 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 Beautiful girl, often said between friends. A very friendly phrase. Моя хорошая. Моя хорошая. Моя хорошая. My good one. Sweetie, dear. And the male version. Мой хороший. Мой хороший. My good one. Sounds supportive, caring, not romantic. For example, if something happened to your child, you can support him. You can say, ты ж мой хороший. Ты ж мой хороший. Ты ж мой хороший. With this phrase, you show that you feel sad about him. Малыш. 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 Малыш, little one. Boy or baby. Малышка. 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 Малышка, little girl. Ласточка. Ласточка. Ласточка, little swallow. A poetic, old-fashioned, tender nickname. Сладенький. 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 For male. Сладенькая. 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 For a woman. Little sweet one. Крошка. 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 Tiny one. Little nugget. Золотце. 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 My little gold. Sweetheart. Сокровище. 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 My treasure. These words show softness, protection, and love. Russians often add extra endings to increase affection. For example, любимочка, 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 my little beloved, зайчонок, 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 little bunny, even cuter, солнышко мое, солнышко мое, солнышко мое, my sunshine, котеночек, 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 little kitten. These forms are playful, affectionate, and adorable. Here are some short expressions that immediately sound loving. Я по тебе скучаю. Я по тебе скучаю. Я по тебе скучаю. I miss you. Ты моя радость. Ты моя радость. Ты моя радость. You're my joy. Ты моя нежность. Ты моя нежность. Ты моя нежность. You're my tenderness. Ты моя опора. Ты моя опора. Ты моя опора. You're my support. Мне хорошо с тобой. Мне хорошо с тобой. Мне хорошо с тобой. I feel good with you. Ты такой родной. Ты такой родной. Ты такой родной. A woman tells to a man. Ты такая родная. Ты такая родная. Ты такая родная. Ты такая родная. A man tells to a woman. You feel so close to me. The translation is. And a very warm, heart-touching phrase. Обнимаю. 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 Hugs. Literally, I hug you. So these are some of the most common, tender, and affectionate words Russians use every day. Russian is an emotional language, and these little words, their diminutives, help express love, care, and warmth in ways that English doesn't always capture. Try practicing a few of these with someone close to you, your partner, a friend, or even your pet. Спасибо, что были со мной, и увидимся в следующем видео. Пока-пока!